Now then, where are we? We have to buy some new trainers. I've had these, I don't know, 10 days. The insoles almost gone. The soles at the bottom have gone, so it's deteriorating. And they've been rubbing me again. So I'll put these on, walk down, buy some new ones, and then get some breakfast and do a little bit of exploring. Back in Pattaya, have I made a mistake? Sometimes I think I have, but I think it'll be alright. I've been out last night with little Sam, a few beers and whatever. So it is creeping in a little bit more. It's now 10 o'clock. It's red out there as well. So, come on Owen, try and get yourself motivated. Got a bit of a hangover. Now then, good morning. Where are we? I'm on Soi Honey. I'm going to get a Baht bus to Soi Buakhao market. Now I usually walk, and I've got a blister on my heel. I've had it for a few days. It comes and goes, but the insoles keeps moving about and it's irritating me, so I'm kind of walking on the ball of my foot, my right foot. So I'm going to get a Baht bus, just buy some. I don't really like them croc type things, just for comfort for the last few days. They can wander about. And I've got my other trainers I'll use for going home in. It must have rained last night, there's big puddles everywhere. So, first Baht bus, let's hop on it. And I get some breakfast. So this is the old made in Thailand. They started doing a few bars, look, along the side. And I think they've done a few down that side, so I don't know when that'll be open. And regarding my flip-flops, you can't be buying a pair of flip-flops that you don't really want. I paid, I know I can get them for 100, but it's walking about and everything. So I was in that bizarre shopping centre. I paid 200 baht for a pair of flip-flops, which are colour coordinated with my hat and my shirt. But she wouldn't take less than 200. She started off at 250, which is too much. And I tried for 180. She wouldn't have it, so I give in the end. I already had them both of them on my feet. So there they are, look. What do you reckon of them? Owen's new flippers, new flipper flops. The last pair of flip-flops I bought from Pattaya, I paid 100 baht and they lasted me 3 years. These probably won't last me till I get to end of year. The blister on my heel has gone, only to be replaced by a chafing between my big toe and my next toe. It's a little bit overcast today, and I was informed that it rained heavily this morning, but I was snoring my head off. Around about 8 o'clock it was raining, but it's a lot cooler, which is a bit of a bonus. So I'm heading back now to my room. Got my little friend to see me, and then tonight I don't know what I'm going to do. I have no idea. Return of the squeaky feet. I met a sub last night who kindly bought me and Sam a drink, so you know who you are. Thanks a lot, pal. You didn't want to make an intro because you didn't want your wife to know you was here, so that's alright, but you know who you are. Thanks a lot. And he told me to review a hotel on Soi Honey, and I think it was wrong around 265 or something like that, so I'll possibly do that later on. Go and have a look round. He says it's a cracking hotel, so I might do that later. And I also might go up to Cozy Beach area and have a look around there, a few of the side Sois, maybe get a few beers, something different. Get out of Dodge for a while, even though I'm enjoying it. Just something to do, a little bit of a challenge. Oh, what's down here, what's down there, what can we do here, what can we do there? But it's overcast today, but still very, very close. This is a shame on this side here. In the past, I had a massage once, somewhere along here, but it seems to have gone. Could have been this place, perhaps. But this, a little bit run down. It wasn't this one. Right, pal.
There we go.
So, this hotel, I once had a look round, and I think my friend Macca stayed here once. Page 10. Looking a bit dated on the outside now. It could do with a lick of paint. Now, the beer bar complex here on the end, I used to go a number of years ago, quite a lot, but I've not been for a while. So again, could be an option to have a look. There's that many little pockets of bars and areas, you forget about them. I've had a few good nights in these beer bars over the years. Alright, pal. And I might give it a go during the last few days of my trip. No, thank you, my friend. In Pattaya. Holding love you, Mac. Up Soi Honey. Not going to film up here, but been done a billion times. Just cut through to my hotel at Soi Honey. Hemingway's. I think this used to be the old rooftops. I can't remember, I think it did. But while I'm on Soi Honey, I will get the location of the hotel, because he said it's next to the honey soaping massage. He said you can't miss the sign. I said to him, you haven't got my eyes. I don't know if that's what he meant there, that hotel, but I'm sure he said it had a 265 or a 165, a big sign that you can't miss. Well, there's no big sign there. Right, I found it. It's not 265, 365, it's there 247. I knew it had 3 numbers in, and I never got one of them right. But this is where he said it's a cracking hotel, boutique hotel. So later on, I will go and see if I can have a look at it up there. Must be this. Must be down there. Yeah, that must be it up there, 247. So I'll go and have a look at that. See what it's like. It's around about 1:30 on Soi Buakhao, and it's looking quite quiet, if you ask me. So I think we are in the beginning of the low season. Still alright at night, still plenty going on, but we haven't got that hustle and bustle. The guy getting ready for tonight, putting all his caps out. That must be a boring job. Putting them up every day and taking them down. But if you're selling a few, it'd be worthwhile.